Righto, we're on. I usually don't do this sort of stuff, but anyway, let's see what it comes up like. I'm just getting ready to plant a multi-species summer crop. It's had a little bit of rain, 25 mils of rain the last couple of days, and we've got some compost here, some seed in the back of the ute there that we're going to put on the compost, and then we're going to spread it on with that thing over there. And we've got some inoculant we're going to put on the seed here as well. Some biocast. I'll show you a picture of that. There we go. That's that stuff there. I'm going to put that on the seed. And the seed we've got here, we've got some wild bird seed, some millet, some buckwheat, and some lucerne under there. Because we're spinning the seed on top, I'm trying to keep the seeds fairly small. We're spinning it on a paddock that's predominantly ryegrass. It's gone to head, and we've just grazed, and then we'll mulch that later on. Let's just have a quick look at this compost here. A bit closer view, see what's going on. You see there's worms in it. I don't know if you can see that because the sun's shining in my eyes. And I'm a shit video taker. So yeah, you can see that there is worms in there, and that's that's just smelling fantastic. It's got a little bit of rock dust in it as well, but this compost just comes from our a dairy herd. Oh, there's some dry cows and that over there grazing. The manure and urine from that, and it's mixed with old grass or hay or silage or something like that. This is what it looks like when it comes out here, over here. And we turn it with that thing down there, and this is what it becomes here. It's good, isn't it, Jersey? Hey? Hey, darling. So, I'll put this down, I'll put a bit of seed on this and show you how to prepare the seeds to be planted. Righto, we'll put the seed on here now. And we're just going to put some bit of inoculant on it, some biocast. Liquid vermicast biostimulant it's called. Okay, you see the different seeds in here. It's a shit light. Chicory, lucerne, sorghum, corn, wheat, barley, oats, millet, what else we need? Buckwheat, sunflowers, black and grey. I think that's about it. Some other looking seed there, I'm not even sure what that is, but anyway, there's plenty of seeds in here, and the reason we're putting this on is to obviously grow a bit of feed for our cows, but also to improve the soil, which is going to improve the plant, which is going to improve the quality of the product that we're eventually going to consume ourselves. So I'll just show you how we inoculate the seed. Grab this bucket, fill it up. It's all very technical. Just tip it on here like that. I will give that a little bit of a stir with my hands, and then we'll mix all that seed and inoculant, stir it all into this compost. So the compost, all the bacteria and fungi and whatnot, and protozoa and all that's touching the seed, and it'll all go out together onto the paddock. Anyway, I might turn this off now because I think I sort of get the gist of what's going on, hopefully. burner. Just about to hit that seed and mix it in. Let's get out of the road. It's a big rock into the house. Of how it looks. A couple of worms in there still survived. It's nice and moist, so you should give that seed an excellent start. See the compost and the seed coming out of the spreader there, so we're just going to have a look on the ground now and see what we're actually planting into. So it's obviously like a pretty heavy looking, it's mostly ryegrass and oats. It has been a winter multi-species crop which had a fair few field pea, vetch, that sort of thing in it, but the flood has been over here in May, so this is like we're standing in the river basically at the moment in May, but you can see some of the seed and compost there in the ground, but it hasn't quite broke up enough. But it doesn't matter, it'll break up over time. So we'll mulch this now with a mulcher, get some of that grass knocked down onto the seed, try and protect the seed as we're only putting it on top of the ground. So I suppose essentially it's like putting it under the soil, but with grass instead of soil. So the compost in there, hopefully the biology in that, the compost will also help try and break this grass down. So if we go deeper into the soil, look under here, we'll see some of like last year's summer crop on the ground. So it's a bit of a shitty phone. Yeah, so you can see there's quite a bit of heavy on top of the soil there now. And must say I want some low CEC soil, so yeah, it's fairly sandy, but with the extra organic matter from the previous two multi-species summer crops, this paddock's been able to hold on pretty well through the dry period I've had in the last couple of months. I probably should have bought a shovel to show you it looks like soil, but you can see I'm digging it up with my hands pretty easily. It's got pretty good structure. Okay, this is where it's been mulched. Just here, you want to see the difference. So still keeping a fairly heavy ground cover, which is important here too. You don't really want to disturb in the soil too much because it's close to the river. It is prone to flooding. So because there's a nice bit of moisture now and still fairly warm, expecting this grass to break down fairly quickly and yeah, hopefully feed those little seeds and grow them into big plants in the next few weeks and couple of months. Anyway, That's my attempt at videoing. It's a bit shit, sorry. It will get better one day.